Have you ever accidentally lost an important Word document you are working on? Don't panic, I'll walk you through the simple steps to recover it. Firstly, you can try to retrieve it directly from Microsoft Word itself. Open Microsoft Word, click on Open, and look for the Recover Unsaved Documents option. If your file appears here, simply open it. If you can't find your document using this method, don't worry. I'll introduce you to a magical tool called Advanced File Recovery that can work wonders in retrieving your lost files quickly. Here's how to use it. Download and install Advanced File Recovery on your Windows computer. You'll find the download link in the description below. Launch the program and select the location where your deleted file was stored for scanning. Choose the type of scan. We recommend a deep scan for better chances of recovery. Then click Next. Select the scan data type. Since you are looking for a Word document, click on Scan Document. Then Start Scan. Wait for the scanning process to complete. Once the scan finishes, you will see the number of deleted files found. Click Got it. Now locate the file you want to recover. Click OK. And choose a location to store the recovered file. Make sure it's a different location to avoid overwriting data. Wait for the recovery process to finish, and congratulations, your files have been successfully recovered. You can access them by clicking on the folder location. Wasn't that simple? Give it a try and share your feedback in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.